Okay, what is this?
Nasawa na ako sa mga pinapanood ko eh.
His eyes is just probably just,
Ganito pala yung story
you know,
ng Maramar eh.
to turn his emotion to see and of course.
Pamahalas ko nga lagi sila naghihiwalay ng tatay niya.
9.
Malas ba yun?
Oh my
Dapat
god.
na naman. Ayaw sa kanya ng piyanan niya eh.
Okay. So he's gonna.
Ano? Ako nga po siya.
Probably. Wait.
Sigurado kayo.
Wait, I wanna test something. In that frame. Wait. Wanna test something. Do you think this hallway is moving? Move your phone. I think it's an illusion. I see this in many illusions, so I thought. Let me test that. Let's see. Okay. Okay, now what now? Okay. Fever dream. Wow. Okay. Now, what do you see? Oh, I forgot. What's up guys? A1214 here. Like and subscribe and share this video.
Wala pa bang balita?
Like and subscribe and share this video.
Yung asawa ko, hindi nakasay sa aeroplano ngayon.
Yung anak ko, kaya mo sa pangalan.
Again, I'm gonna say some lines of this. Whoever this is.
Ang mahal ng bilayan namin. Yan pa rin kami ang bilayan niyo.
Tahimik ka na lang ba dyan? Hindi ka ba magsasalita? Pwede bang wala?
Wait,
Yung mga pamilya namin nakasay sa aeroplano yun.
I think it's a shoulder box. Shoulder box. Oh, everything is ribbed. Okay, I'm gonna see all of this. Okay. Piece by piece. Oh my god.
Wala na siyang load eh.
Ribbit made by small ribbit and cup. Ribbit and cup mo made by small ribbit and cup mo. Made by small ribbit and cup mo. Made by small ribbit and cup mo. Whoa! Whoa! The eyes! I don't feel so good. The pink room. Pink room, the god. What? What? Who? What?
Yeah, he's not actually an NPC.
He is the cast. What? Wait, Ming! That's why his name is Ming! He's probably Chinese. But here's the thing. 3 letters, 3 words. That's way less. Wow. Wow. I know that scene from the episode 2 somewhere.
Sir, sir, dahil lahat ng mga survivors ay sa kanya-kanyang pamilya na. Kaso nang makita ko,
I know. I immediately know.
Naging chance na may survivor pa.
I think what happened here is that they were trapped.
Buhay sila.
They were where the.
For the meantime, sir, nandito pa po yung mga survivors at ang mga biktima na hindi pa na-identify. Wala dito ang pamilya ko. Wala sila dito!
They wear the VR headset, then they go unconscious and trapped to the digital world. But they cannot be the entire head, the entire human. So they just become NPC head. They transfer their their actual memory to an NPC memory. Maybe Hippocampus is the only thing that can destroy me.
I think I found the way to leave. The way to leave? Yes.
What?
To leave the circus.
Wait.
Yes. Please keep it discreet.
No way! Wait. No way.
If Kane catches on, I doubt he'll ever let us get this far again.
That's why we came to you.
What?
We thought you might have a key to the Chinese room.
The
What?
Chinese room? Yes. We're gonna need a place to talk without Kane listening in on us. I have a working theory that Kane will commit to a bit no matter what.
Where's the?
And if the bit is to not know what's in the Chinese room, he'll stick to it. I guess I'll check.
Okay.
These are all the keys I have where I don't know what they go to.
Wait, don't you want to come with us? This could be our one chance to finally leave all this behind.
But no, why not? Why not?
Where even is Kane? He might be suspicious of us even being here.
He's probably in his office, planning adventures. How do we even know we can trust this guy? Is he that
It did anything to play human? That's my theory.
any of you? How to create this place? I'll explain more when we're in the room, but for now, please just trust me. You will not regret it.
Fine. Okay, that's wrong. Oh my God, we can still find it. We gonna. Can we try this one? What? What?
Okay, well, it's open. Let's just get inside before Kane sees us.
I'll go get Kinger.
We can fill him in later.
Wait, there's still a lot of talking. That means there's a lot of. You bet you didn't know.
Human. I've been here longer than any of you. I helped create this place.
Bet you didn't know that she's grabbing this. Because there's a lot of talking you were
I'll explain
talking.
more when we're in the room. But for now,
Don't worry. That's my
you will not regret it.
Okay.
Si Marimar.
And that's the.
Ulang lang pala si Marimar.
That's probably key of the wolf.
Am I doing this wrong? None of these even fit.
You're doing it wrong! So wrong!
Ganda.
Has anybody even tried this?
The way you hand it, you're not supposed to hand it like that.
Okay, well, it's open. Let's just get inside before Kane sees us.
I'll go get Kinger.
We can fill him in later. I don't really know if I'm ready to face him again after what happened.
The word again seems to imply that you met him before.
We've both done things we're not proud of.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Alright. Convince me.
Convince me.
I'm one of the original programmers of the.
Naka-exam ka ba? Kahapon may exam kayo? Lola Cruz Perez.
Nag-exam kayo kahapon?
Kahapon?
Oo.
Mahal ko, si Lolo
Kailan kayo
Pancho
nag-exam?
Perez.
Nung ano?
Miyerkules?
Anong
Hindi ako
pangalan
nag-exam
mo?
nung
Digital Circus. I was part of a team of experts employed by CNA to bring this place to life. King was one of my co-workers.
Bakit hindi mo
Back when he
maalala?
was still.
You really think Kinger worked with him?
Oh, whoops. Sorry.
I can see it.
Well, as production went on, the higher-ups at CNA started getting untrustworthy.
Yeah.
They began forcibly hooking my fellow
Wait.
Marimar ang pangalan
Let me get this
mo.
straight.
Marimar Perez.
What am I gonna reveal again? I know that's my theory.
Lola mo, siya ang lolo mo.
Gamigo! Kap mo! And that Pomni isn't Pomni!
Parang lumabas.
Isn't Pomni! Kensuko is... Want... Kane wants Zubo to be like them! By what? You guess it. I don't have to tell you.
co-workers up to the computer in special stasis pods that would keep them alive and analyze their brains. Just
Like you. Huh? Naka-record.
Stop.
I should get out and say none of us are CNA employees. How would we have gotten hooked up to this big machine just by putting on a headset?
That's what I wondered as well. But then I remembered that CNA was planning on expanding development. Last I remember, I was asking too many questions, and then poof, I was here. They're probably doing the same to anyone that stumbles into that office.
I told you. They were just... They were, yes, NPC, but...
Kane is an AI.
Yeah, I think we all got that.
An AI specifically created to keep your minds active.
Yung
But he's just as much of a
drama sa
prisoner as you are.
Ganun na ganun siya, yung nangyari sa kanya.
Won't be
Yung
able to
bang
leave
nakalimot
without
sa...
just
Get to the meat and tell us exactly how we're
Pero
gonna
He is an AI.
nakalimutan ko lang eh.
leave if we're all hooked up to stasis
Yung
pods.
mga na-aksidente, may tawag yan. Hindi ko maalala.
What?
Pero kailangan sabihin natin sa kanya ang katotohanan.
And I discovered that the stasis pods and the virtual world are both run in the same program. So, theoretically, if we were to access the master console hidden deep within Kane's office, we could terminate and forcibly awaken everyone who's hooked up. Well,
No!
Pero tama.
You would...
na po ako.
If you wake up without the consciousness of one's mind, while being... Because it's still trapped in the VR headset, you would die.
Matagal na tayong kinasal.
obviously, except for Kane.
How
Naghihintay
do we get to
tayo.
Kane's office?
We'll need to steal the key from Kane
Hindi naman lumarating yung anak. Ang tagal ng panahon.
and forcibly awaken everyone who's hooked up.
Hindi naman tayo binibigyan ng Diyos.
Obviously,
Anak.
except
Pagkatapos tumating
Do you mean except for Kane?
access the master console hidden deep within Kane's office. We can terminate it and forcibly awaken everyone who's hooked up.
Yeah,
Tayo yung mga lolo.
we know that.
Ay, mahal.
Ewan ko yun. Pero parang mali.
Hindi man.
Well, obviously, except for
Then
Kane.
what do you mean by that?
How do we get to Kane's office?
We'll need to steal the key from Kane
Tagal na natin panalangin.
Funny part for
Kaya
jokes.
dumating siya sa atin.
and forcibly awaken everyone who's hooked up. Well, obviously, except for Kane.
Hey, what happened?
How do we get into Kane's office?
Hey.
Sige, sige.
We'll need to steal the key from Kane, and we'll also need administrative privileges. I believe you're good at obtaining keys.
Okay. You know what's gonna happen when we do all this? Kane's gonna
Kid's gonna pop out and say, "Congratulations, you're meeting the king."
escape the circus adventure, and everything's gonna go back to the way it always was.
Hindi.
I've been watching
Hindi
you,
ako naniniwalang wala na siya.
all of you,
Hindi nakita
Every
pa niya
trial.
natin, kaya
every
buhay pa siya.
moment of joy, every
Pero marami rin mga biktima
abstraction.
na hindi nakita ang kanilang
I wish I could have come to you sooner,
Sa
but I
esperanza.
didn't want
Maliit,
intentionally
meron.
ruin our
Maliit
only
pa.
chance at escape by telling you before I knew exactly how we were gonna do it. I'm not a creation of Cain. I've suffered just as much as the rest of you. I know this all sounds
Your Gamigoo cup mo. That is this woman's child.
crazy, but if you follow me, you will see freedom. I'll also draw a face on myself, so you can tell me apart from any other blank
Hindi
NPCs.
ba sabi ko siya doon ka lang sa kubo, ha?
Ricky.
Gusto ko lang naman po mga
What should we call it? Do you have a name?
Hindi ka pwede
I'll also draw a face on myself, so you can tell me apart
Sige,
from any
Marimar.
other blank
Dito ka muna
NPCs.
at babalikan ka namin mamaya, ha?
Apa, Lolo?
That's so funny.
Nawawala.
What should we call it? Do you have a name?
Ano na muna yung bata, mahal.
My name
Pero,
is Abel.
hindi mo naman pwedeng ituloy.
At saka kung makakita sa kanya, ibig sabihin...
Go away,
hindi
Abel.
ka talaga pala
You
sa
got murdered by in the Christianity. Get murdered. You got murdered. Go to the Great Britain. Say you are alive.
Palagi na lang kasi sinagulot
Queen of Cain. Say you're alive. Because Europe has the most Christianity based. Wow. Shut up.
Pare, ang ganda ng kwenta sa...
My ear.
Parang... Ano mo yung gagawin? Oo.
Like, is that the name you
Mukhang
picked?
maganda yung kwenta sa...
Yeah, I thought it would be
Akin
cool.
na lang. Hindi, akin to eh.
Get the hell out of
Sa
me.
amin, pupunin namin yung sabi niya.
You're dapat naligaman yun. Which...
But anyway, first things first, we need to get that key.
Ano ba?
In order to get the key, you're going to need to isolate Cain. Try getting him alone, someplace where he'll feel comfortable confiding in you.
Hey, Kane, you around?
Salamat ha.
Call Zubul.
Yes, I didn't know you could ask if I was around like that. Good job.
Okay. You didn't get it.
Sila na yung nagpalaki sa akin.
This is part of the plan.
Ako nga pala si Marimar.
How could I possibly turn down such an offer?
Angelica.
So, we're gonna...
So, Jax, what you want to talk about? Friendo?
Sige.
Wait, Jax, I wanted to ask you...
Wait.
Alam niyo ba, Lola? Ang bait-bait po ni Angelica. Iniligtas niya po ako sa mga salbahing bata na gusto ko nitong kwintas ko.
Mabuti pa siguro ako na muna magtago nito, ha?
Sige po.
Yan. Saan ba?
I know exactly where this is.
Angelica yun, ha?
Sa kabilang iba niyo po, Lola.
The circus, cafeteria, the doors. There's where the stuff. There's where
Asal po pala, pag may kaibigan kayo.
everything happens.
Sabi niyo nga po sa akin, ipapasyal na daw po ako eh. Itinuro ko pa nga po kung saan tayo nakatira.
I think the maze is one straight, then just L.
About the adventure?
L right. That's the exit.
Saan po ba nakatira sa
Or
bahay?
C.
Angelica!
That's where I remember
Sana kita
probably
ipapasyal
go.
tayo.
What do you think I should do to make them more appealing to the Zubul and the Pomnig? We should figure out what to order first. Conversation can happen after we've loaded up on digital nutrients.
Lolo,
Then
pwede
you're
po
going
ba
to-
akong sumama kay Angelica?
What happened? Hey, no, no.
With Life 360.
Salamat po, Lola. Sige po, Lola. Paalam po. Marima, dito po po. Ayos lang po, Lola. Hindi pa naman po ako gutom. Tara na. Paalam po. Lola? Sino ba yan?
Oh, of course.
Gusto ko dito lang siya. Mahal, ayaw kong magkaroon siya ng
I hardly
kaibigan.
ever smoked salmon. Hindi mo
What the-
mapigilan ng mga bata. Digital nutrients.
Then you're going to want to ask him about his hobby.
Omni. I think we should figure out what to order first. Conversation.
What?
I think we should figure out what to order first. Conversation can happen after we've loaded up on digital nutrients.
Then you're going to want to ask him about his hobbies. Odds are he'll get so excited that you care about him, he'll freeze up, and you'll be able to grab the key from inside his mouth. Inside where?
What?
What are your thoughts on cedar smoked salmon? I cedar smoked salmon.
Ganda na ba ka? Hindi ba halata?
You mean between his forehead, eye,
Talaga?
behind his eye, and between his
Ewan ko.
jaw? Wow.
Smoked salmon.
Do you have any secret hobbies?
Alam mo ba? Maraming nainis ako.
Secret
daw ako.
hobbies?
Oh?
Yeah, like things you do on your own that you'd be interested in talking about.
Ikaw lang best friend ko.
Interested in talking about?
I didn't think a human would ever want to ask me about my... This is the most fantastical moment of my...
Wow. He wanted to relate, but he can't.
What you doing there, Jax?
I never told you how it's
Oh, that's so.
my dream to get eaten by you.
That's a weird thing to say and want.
Ay po, baka nakita niyo na po siya. Ano man po pangalan niya?
Really believe it? I mean, everything he says?
I just want to know what Kinger thinks of all this.
Yeah. I was thinking the same thing.
How much do you know about Kinger?
Huh? Oh. Probably
Where is
not
Kinger?
as much as everybody else, but he's also helped me through some of my
Where is Kinger?
hardest times here. Is it weird to say I trust him the most out of everybody?
Is he absent?
That's not weird
The
at all.
VA?
I had a similar experience, and I think he
What
knows
the
more about
Ano
this.
nangyayari sa'yo?
The view product yung...
How much do you know about Kinger?
Oh.
Eh wala pa dito, baka
By the way.
kasama yung kaibigan niya. O bakit pa parang ina-attack ka sa puso?
What you doing there, Jax?
Have I ever told you how it's my dream to get eaten by you?
Ha? Sigurado
That's a
ba?
weird thing to say and want.
What? Where's Jax?
Alam mo,
Do you
isang
really
araw,
believe
aalis
it?
ako sa lugar
I
na to.
mean, everything
Pupunta
he
ako sa
says?
Maynila. Tapos mag-aasawa ko ng
I just want to
mayaman.
know what Kinger thinks of all this.
Yeah.
Talaga.
I was thinking the same thing.
Para maganda yung
How
buhay
much
ko.
do you know
Marami
about
akong
Kinger?
makeup, basta kinakain ko. Nasawa na kasi
Probably
ako
know
sa
about
hirap
as much
eh.
as everybody else, but
Alam mo, ako,
he's also
kahit
helped me
tayo
through
gusto
some of my
ng
hardest
kapakakain
times
sa
here.
akin, ayos lang.
Is it
Nakasama
weird to
ko
say
yung
I
lola.
trust him the most out of everybody?
Kaibigan kita, pag
Okay.
gawin kitang alalay.
Wait.